Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sachin Sunil. Now we're going to show my dog. Here is my dog. His name is Jimmy, 5 months, and he's a German dog. So, um, so his his name is Jimmy. He's like a good boy, and he's ours, but not like before because he doesn't have his mother. And this is his cage. We put his food over here. To put his food, we should do this thing, open it, and we put food over there. So whenever we have rice or chicken, he and when we are near to the chicken, he will be right there inside the cage, so that then we eat it. So and he, now we are going to train him. Gimme. So I'm gonna pause the video to go to my over here so that we can now I'm going to show him his first try. Gimme. Gimme. Chicken. Good boy. Now the second method is about sitting. I don't know if you know about sitting. So Jimmy, sit. Well, he doesn't know that much training because we don't train him before because he's bitten by a big dog. So now he's like a little bit of laziness. All he does is be in the cage and sleep. Sometimes we'll train him. Now he only knows about shake hands. I wish he knows sitting because before when he didn't bitten by a dog, he was okay. We always trained him sit, stand. We always give him treats now, so that's why he's like this. So this is our dog. So we've been taking care of him. Well, when he also is a very good barker. He's a biter first of all. He always bites stuff. For example, like this. See, he's biting me. He always bites shoes. Every time he always bites shoes and bring it over here, like that. And second of all, when someone's come, he will always bark very loud. Sometimes he will bark our new house over here. If you so tomorrow we're going to part 2 we're going to show our new house, and now you don't know our new house right now. So yeah, this is how as you can see, he always bites everything. He always bites biscuits and he always biscuits. So you see this and you can see this. Sometimes we put them out. So tomorrow we're going to make a part 2 of our house. If you want a part 2 of our dog, just leave a comment. If you want more of our Jimmy, so bye.